With the battle over, the hunter reclaims its prize, the fallen serpent drawn back into the endless cycle of the wild. Dawn over the African savanna, where the first light awakens life, breathing rhythm back into the wild. In the thin veil of morning mist, a herd of antelopes begins its journey, the endless rhythm of life across the African plains.
With powerful wings stretched wide, the secretary bird soars across the vast sky.
Under the first light of dawn, the cobra emerges from its shelter. Every graceful motion reveals the perfect harmony of strength and survival. Every graceful motion reveals the perfect harmony of strength and survival.
With measured grace, the secretary bird touches down, every movement precise, every step a display of quiet power. Alert and dominant, the cobra rises pen. Every shimmer on its scales a silent warning in the morning light. With every step, the secretary bird surveys its world, firm, a patient hunter whose silence conceals precision and power. Bathed in morning light, the cobra moves with silent authority, every curve of its body shaped by instinct and control. Alert and watchful, the cobra halts full. From afar, a shadow approaches, the unmistakable form of the savanna's sharp-eyed hunter.
With eyes of gold fixed on its prey, the secretary bird advances, every step measured,
In the heart of the savanna, silence falls. Two hunters meet, each measuring the other, where instinct decides survival.
In the still heat of the savanna, two predators challenge each other, hiss for hiss, breath for...
With a swift strike of its leg, the hunter attacks, but the cobra's reflexes are lightning fast, turning survival into a dance of instinct and precision. In a heartbeat, the cobra strikes iron, pure instinct unleashed early, but the bird reacts just as fast.
From above, the battle unfolds with speed against venom, precision against power, a timeless dance between predator and prey.
In the final clash, instinct guides every motion, the bird's deadly precision against the cobra's last strike.
With relentless precision, the secretary bird drives its attack, and each strike a calculated...
With relentless precision, the secretary bird drives its attack, each strike a calculated blow, honed by the instinct of a born predator.
Wounded but unbroken, the cobra watches Kay, every breath measured, every glance sharpened by pain and instinct.
With relentless precision, the secretary bird drives its attack, each strike a calculated blow, honed by the instinct of a born predator.
Wounded but unbroken, the cobra watches Kine, every breath measured, every glance sharpened by pain and instinct. Wounded and desperate, the cobra flees into the wild plain, yet the hunter's pursuit is relentless.
Relentless and focused, the secretary bird gives no mercy, every step closing the distance, every strike guided by nature's unyielding law.
With one final blow, the cobra's strength fades, its breath shallow, its body marked by the...
Wounded and weary, the cobra struggles for breath, a fading symbol of survival in the unforgiving wild. Exhausted and wounded, the cobra's breath grows faint, a quiet reminder of nature's harsh balance between strength and survival. With the battle over, the hunter reclaims its prize, the fallen serpent drawn back into the endless cycle of the wild. To eliminate. As the sun sets, the savanna breathes again comb. Herds return home, and the land prepares.
Bait thought snicker people, cautious those they pound.
The king cobra, the supreme predator of the jungle. The Cape porcupine, armed with its formidable quills,
steps out into the golden light of...
In the heart of the forest, the king cobra reigns supreme. Joe, a silent hunter, feared and respected by all who cross its path.
In the wild, life is a dance of instinct and defense. As the day ends, both predator and prey retreat to the safety of the forest. In the
fading light, the struggle ends. A quiet reminder that in the wild, as the forest returns to calm, the survivor disappears into the fading light. A humble reminder of nature's balance and resilience.